Hey, what's up guys? So as you've seen in the thumbnail, today we're going to create a very extreme rubber flat bit. Yeah guys, till right now from Beyblade X to Beyblade UX we have seen many type of bits like this one. Yeah, I know guys, I don't like this one. For a bay like Hill's Hammer, it's trash. Okay guys, first let's just quickly take out the rubber from the pencil. Okay, let's go. So we are just going to stick it on top, but before that we have to cut the tip. So yeah guys, at the end I have to destroy this bit only to do this modification, rubber flat bit, you know. So kare to kare kya, bole to bole kya. And actually guys, my cutter is not that much sharp enough to cut the plastic of the bit, but still let's see. चलो भाई धीरे धीरे काटने की कोशिश करते हैं. Okay, it's ready guys. Look at that, very low guys. Now the bait is looking very weird as well, looking like a new bait, very low flat bait edge. So we are going to stick like this. So you are going to use super glue for this. Let's go. बस थोड़ा सा super glue डाल देनी है, और मैंने थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा डाल दिया. I think I just poured too much super glue guys. Okay, let me just. Okay, here we go. Very sorry for bad focusing guys. Let's just quickly attach it on top like this. Oh wow, looking really beautiful guys, for sure. Look at that. Wow, the new rubber flat bit. Yeah guys, I'm not the first person to make this bit, because I think almost many YouTubers created this bit at home, and yeah, I have so many videos. So yeah, this one is like a homemade one. So yeah guys, this is optional. You don't need to do this if you don't have soldering iron. So guys, here we have our new attack type rubber flat bit. Wow guys, just look at that, looking really accurate, like a real rubber flat bit. I don't know, but yeah, really tried my best to make this rubber flat bit, and I hope it will definitely perform well. So okay, let's just do a spin test guys. So, yeah, attack type bit will also be better for this Beyblade. So here you go guys. Yeah, not looking that much great, but yeah guys, if I had drawn sword, then it could be much better. We could see definitely a perfect performance from a Bey like drawn sword with this bit. So but you know, I don't have drawn sword, so we have to use Hell Scythe for this right now. Let's go. 3 2 1 go, shoot. Oh wow guys, so many stream dash in one launch. Not bad guys, but yeah, it's a rubber flat bit. So yeah, the stamina will go down very quickly because of friction on the stadium, and you can clearly see here guys, the stamina is getting very low. So okay, so yeah, this time I did anvil launch. Oh, so yeah guys, the performance is very amazing for sure for a Bey like this. I mean attack type bit. Not bad, but yeah guys, the stamina is getting down very quickly, as you can see. Arrow 3 2 1 go, shoot, go, rubber flat bit. Oh, post finish. Rubber flat bit. Wow. Shoot, here we go. Oh, what was that guys? Go, shoot, go, rubber flat. Oh, busted. Anyway, that's